Hello and welcome to Health Hacks TV. Today, we're going to show you the top 10 expert tips to help you unlock your metabolism and achieve your weight loss goals. Make sure to stick to the end because if you miss even one of these, you'll have a much harder time speeding up your metabolism. Did you know that your metabolism plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey? The right combination of diet and lifestyle changes can help boost your metabolism and lead to faster weight loss. Number 1. Eat more protein. Make sure to consume enough protein in your diet, as it can help with weight loss and metabolism. Aim to consume protein with every meal and snack, and opt for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and tofu. This will help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Number 2. Incorporate high-intensity interval training into your workout routine. High-intensity interval training workouts are a great way to boost your metabolism and lose weight quickly. By combining short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest, you can burn more calories and target stubborn fat deposits. Incorporate this training into your routine 1 to 2 times a week. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleeping well is crucial for weight loss and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Make sure to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night and aim for consistent bed and wake times. Avoid screens and bright lights before bedtime and create a relaxing sleep environment. Number 4. Avoid skipping meals. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating. Make sure to have a balanced breakfast, lunch, and dinner to keep your metabolism going throughout the day. However, one missed meal here and there shouldn't affect you that much. Skipping too many meals can lead to bad eating habits, which could lead to unhealthy eating throughout the day. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for weight loss and metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and add lemon or mint to add flavor. Staying hydrated can also help keep you feeling full and prevent overeating. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and join our community of like-minded individuals on a journey toward a happier and healthier life. Number 6. Strength training. Strength training is a crucial component for weight loss as it not only helps build lean muscle mass but also accelerates metabolism. By incorporating weightlifting or resistance training into your exercise routine, you are able to target specific muscles and increase your metabolism naturally. By building lean muscle, your body becomes more efficient in burning calories and fat, even when you are at rest, leading to faster weight loss. Incorporating strength training into your workout plan can be as simple as using dumbbells or resistance bands at home, or enrolling in a gym class that focuses on strength training. Number 7. Stay active. Incorporating movement and physical activity throughout your day can help boost your metabolism, burn calories, and support weight loss efforts. Instead of sitting for long periods, try incorporating habits such as taking frequent breaks to stretch, going for a walk during lunchtime, or opting for the stairs instead of the elevator. These small changes can help keep your metabolism active and promote a healthier, more active lifestyle. Number 8. Add spices to your meals. Spices like chili, cumin, and cinnamon have been shown to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. Studies have shown that these spices can help boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories and reach your weight loss goals more quickly. Additionally, adding spices to your meals can help to improve your overall health and well-being. Number 9. Avoid processed foods. Ditch processed foods and instead, choose whole, natural options to fuel your body. Processed foods often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives that can slow down metabolism and contribute to weight gain. Incorporating nutrient-rich whole foods into your diet will not only boost metabolism but also provide essential vitamins and minerals for overall health and wellness. Number 10. Manage stress levels. Stress can cause a number of negative effects on the body, including slowing down metabolism. To manage stress levels, try practicing mindfulness, meditation, and other stress-reducing activities. Exercise, such as yoga and tai chi, can also be effective in reducing stress levels and boosting metabolism. There you have it, 10 expert tips to help you unlock your metabolism and achieve your weight loss goals. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you will be able to boost your metabolism and achieve faster weight loss. As always, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise routine. Click this video here to make your weight loss journey even easier. Subscribe now so you never miss one of our videos, and make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Health Hacks TV.